So today I'm getting ready and I thought I would talk you through as I get ready for the day. I've already put on my eyeshadow primer. This is the original Urban Decay Primer Potion. And then I've already used the Anastasia brow pomade in taupe. And then I set it with the Colourpop Brow Boss Gel. So there's this incredible pigmented black color that I'm going to use today. It's called Temptress. This color is so pigmented. This dress, I have not worn this since my husband and I were dating in college. It's bringing back so many memories from college. It's just, oh, it makes me get all sentimental. I've just been wanting to do a eye look using black eyeshadow because, oh wow, look at all that fallout. Yeah, that's why I didn't put foundation on first, because you get so much fallout. I'm gonna dip my brush into this color right here and I'm gonna blend everything in. Honestly, I feel like blending is the key to this look. Usually when I do these tutorials, I have Friends playing, the TV show Friends, and that's kind of like how I started doing these tutorials. My husband was saying, hey, you need to talk a little bit through your tutorials and like engage your audience and like talk with people and everything, because I want to get to know everybody on my channel. Honestly, each and every one of you have been so sweet. I appreciate you so much. I'm just dipping back into that black color again to really deepen the color. I'm gonna dip back into the shade right here and I'm gonna blend everything again. It's just going back between those two colors and blending, adding more color, blending. I'm gonna take this Jaclyn Hill brush in JH39 and I'm gonna dip it into this black color just to get a little bit more precise on the outer corner and to fill in those little gaps that I missed with my finger. Take this mascara in Lash Love by Mary Kay. I will be putting lashes on at the end. Next step that I wanted to do is put this crystal top coat on by Natasha Denona. It's basically just like a glitter top coat. And I wanted to put like gold glitter on top of this black. You probably can't really tell. It's something that you would notice more in person, but it just gives it a little bit of glitter. I'm going to use the Kat Von D Lock It Foundation and I am in the shade Light 44 Cool. With my trusty Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light 10. I have not been able to put down the Cloven Hollow concealer, but I figured I probably should use a different concealer in this video because guys probably get bored of seeing the same thing every single time. I wanted to use the Kat Von D translucent setting powder. I really love this powder. I feel like it, honestly, these two are my go-to if I want to do like a really long-lasting makeup look and I want it to be glam. Like that's the type of foundation that I gravitate towards. I'll even use my Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation Powder Brush. I really feel like this powder gives me like an airbrushed look. I'm going to use my LA Girl Glide On Gel Liner in Very Black, and I'm going to line my eyes. And you really don't have to be very precise with this because it's going to get smudged anyway. So before I brighten my under eyes, I wanted to go in with my lower lash line and finish up the eye look. And I'm going to smudge the lower lash line. And then I'm going to go into the shade Poof and blend it. Then I'm going to take my Mary Kay Lash Love Mascara. And this is actually really nice for the bottom lash line because the bristles are so small. I'm going to use my Too Faced Cocoa Powder Foundation in Deep Tan to bronze up my face. I mentioned this in my February favorites, if you haven't watched that yet. To brighten my under eyes using the Catrice brightening powder in Yellow Matte. If you have dry skin, you might not like this powder, but I have oily skin, so I like using a matte powder. If you want an alternative to this powder, check out the Dermablend Illuminating Banana Powder because it has the same yellow tint to it that's like a brightening quality, but then it also has that illuminating factor to it that people with dry skin would really like. I know this is a really bright pink. It'll work out, I promise. I felt like the pink flush was necessary in this look. This is in Champagne Pop, so I'm going to use this color right here. I feel like highlight and little black dress looks just go together. I'm going to use the Ardell Faux Mink lashes. I actually need to take some scissors and cut the ends off here because they're too long. They're in the number 811. So I'll be right back after I put my eyelashes on. Okay, so I just put on my lashes and these are very dramatic, but I was thinking I actually really wanted a pop of gold in this look. So I'm going to my other Jaclyn Hill palette and there are some really pretty gold shades in here. Straight up gold. Oops. And this is called Coin. To finish off the look, I am going to do a lip color. I was going to do this rich vampy red, but I feel like that would be too much. So instead, I'm going to go in with a Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip. This is in the shade 951. On top of the Ultra Satin Lip, I went in with this Ultra Glossy Lip from the Brown Sugar collection, and this is in the shade Dumpling. I forgot to highlight my brow bone, so I'm going to go in with this shade in VIP. Alright, so that is all that I have for you guys today. These two eyeshadow palettes by Jaclyn Hill are the bomb and they are so affordable. So I've really been enjoying these palettes recently. I don't own any other Jaclyn Hill palettes. Her eye brush collection is amazing. Big fan of Jaclyn Hill. I love her YouTube channel and everything, and I'm very happy for her for where she is in her life right now. I really do love these eyeshadow palettes, and I love the look that I got today. I have the palettes in Dark Magic and Armed and Gorgeous. So those are the two eyeshadow palettes that I used today. I want to get to know you guys, and I am so excited about where we are right now on YouTube. And give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed stuff like this. I'm kind of experimenting right now, finding out what you guys enjoy. Would you guys be interested in like a makeup collection video? Let me know in the comments below if that's something that you would be interested in. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon. Bye!